fashion statement, eh? Happy Tuesday. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. Welcome back, everyone. Glad to see all your smiling faces. Hope you had a great weekend. Last time I said I was going to get back into my normal streaming after the bronchitis episode, but my body decided elsewise. So it decided to give itself a boot. Let me show you what I mean. That type of boot, yeah. Lovely. So in amongst my coughing fits, trying to overcome bronchitis, I busted my 5th metatarsal. So it's been a weekend of rest, ice, elevation, and that sort of stuff. So what did I do? Well, my last few projects, I couldn't sit there and sew my pillow together, which I really wanted to, because that would have been kind of awkward. I decided to make pumpkins. This was first bolero, second bolero, and this is all I had left of my pillow project. So a really teeny tiny one. And that's what I did. And I filled it with raw wool inside, and some I felted them. So do you guys make little tchotchke stuff with your leftovers? That's what I did this weekend. And I'll tell you, it's pretty simple. I mean, there's a lot of patterns out there. Of course, this is knit. This is just like making a Christmas ornament. If you've made a ball in knit or crochet before, you can do this. And this one you can actually really tell. I went up through it and just wrapped around and made different sections. Now I did tack them into the inner bar here on the upper part, so that way here they didn't slide around. And of course an I-cord, and some I felted a little piece to make some little curly cues. So yeah, that's what I did this weekend. I'm hoping everyone else had a great weekend as well. It did give me some little things. I can give these to my family and friends for decorations for fall. So that's a really good way of me using up some of my stuff. And of course, with what happened, why not? So I will get to this now that I have stability in my foot and get this pillow to the sewing machine. It will go. All right, guys, sorry it's short and sweet. Let me know if you make any other kind of funky stuff with your leftovers. As always, please like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.